Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to Placements Nepal, your go-to channel for the latest opportunities in Nepal and beyond. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out an exciting career prospects like the one we are about to discuss today. Let's dive in. Are you ready for a fantastic job opportunity? Well, look no further. Moris Media is offering a unique content writer internship that you won't want to miss. This full-time 3-month internship can be done remotely and even comes with a paycheck. That's right, it is paid. Now let's talk about what you will need doing in this exciting role. As a content writer intern, your responsibilities will include research and develop content, content creation, team collaboration, editing and proofreading, metrics monitoring, time management, and content updates. So now what does it take to excel in this role? Well, you'll need some key skills and qualification: strong written and verbal communication, proficiency in research and analysis, creativity and innovative thinking, attention to detail and excellent organizational abilities, time management and multitasking skills, a basic understanding of PR and business development concepts, familiarity with social media platforms and digital marketing trends. You should either be currently enrolled in or recently graduated from bachelor's degree in English, journalism, marketing communications or a related field. While previous internship experience in content writing is a plus, it is not mandatory. You should be proficient in Microsoft Office Suite and Google Workspace. Don't forget to prepare a portfolio of your written work, whether it's academic or professional, for your application. Alright, before you get too excited, let's cover the mandatory requisites. Make sure you have a laptop or desktop with upgraded configurations. A stable, high-speed internet connection is crucial. Your oral and written communication skills should be top-notch. You'll need to handle pressure and meet targets. Patience, a career-oriented mindset, and diplomacy are must qualities. After that, you click on this apply now. After clicking on this, it will ask you some of your personal details. Give the details, and if you get selected, you will be rewarded back to the same email ID that you have provided here. So there you have it, folks. An incredible opportunity to kickstart your career as a content writer intern with Moris Media. Don't let this chance slip away. If you think you have got what it takes, to make sure to apply right away. And remember, we have got more exciting job opportunities coming your way. So stay tuned to Placements Nepal. Like, subscribe and share this video with your friends who might get interested. Until next time, this is Placements Nepal signing off. Good luck with your application.